In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to check which apps are running in the background in a Windows PC. I'm going to show you how to stop unnecessary apps that are running in the background which are actually slowing down your PC. If you follow my video till the end, you're going to learn how to make your PC work even faster. A slow PC is something we all hate. I hate it. I'm sure you hate it too. So to ensure that we have a perfectly working PC or a PC that is super fast, we need to ensure two things. The first thing is we should have minimum applications running in the background, and the second thing is that our memory is supposed to be clear. It is not supposed to be loaded. So in order for you to ensure that you don't have useless applications running in the background, do this. Click the Windows and I button. You're going to get a pop-up window in which you could see the settings for your PC. You click on privacy and then you get onto this page. Here to the left you have a lot of options. Just scroll down and you click on background apps. Once you do that, to the right you're going to see all the applications that are running in the background. Now here you have two options. The first thing is if you want to stop running apps in the background like once and for all for each and everything, which I don't recommend, but if you want to, you could go ahead and turn this off. If you do this, there are going to be no applications that are going to run in the background, but I wouldn't recommend you do this because there are applications that run the Windows OS. So you need to ensure that that is actually running in the background so that you have a good performance. The better thing to do is if you look at this list, you're going to see a lot of applications that are running in the background uselessly. For instance, I'm sure you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Candy Crush, friends, I don't play this on my laptop. I can just switch this off. Okay, I just click on this and it goes off. Then let's scroll down a bit. Game bar, I can turn this off also. Netflix, turn this off. It's running uselessly on my laptop. I never ever use it. So this is how you go ahead and turn off useless applications that are running in the background. Simple and easy, right? Now once you do this, I recommend you restart your computer, and after you restart your computer, the next thing for you to do is clear the cache of your system so that your PC works better. So the first thing for you to do is click on this PC and then you get directed to this PC. Click on Windows C and then you scroll down to Windows and you look for software distribution. You click on that, click on downloads and delete everything out here. The next thing for you to do is Windows R and then type in temp out here to delete all your temporary files in this folder. Select everything, click on delete. If something is running in the background, it's okay. You could just skip that, select that and click on skip. Close the window. The next thing for you to do is Windows R again and then percentage, temp percentage. You get to another folder for temporary files. You select everything and then you delete it. If something is running in the background, just select this and click on skip. The next thing for you to do is do a Windows R prefetch. Select everything and delete it. Checkbox this, click on skip if something is running. Again, close this. The next thing for you to do is Windows R CMD. So open the command prompt and put in this command ipconfig /flush DNS. So once you hit the enter button, your DNS resolver cache is going to get flushed out. Then you open your files or folders, click on file, and then you get a pop-up menu like this. You click on options. Then under privacy, you click on clear. All your recent search and clicks are going to get cleared off for your Windows PC. Close that. The next thing for you to do is click on location. Open this and you scroll down. Clear your location history on this device. Then the next thing is click on Windows R. Put in WS reset. This is going to reset your Windows or Microsoft Store. Apart from this, you could also do a search for restore point. Select Windows C, click on configure. You could see there's approximately 400 MB. You could delete this, click on continue, click on close, click on OK. You can create a new restore point. Just name it anything. This is completely reset. Close this window. And I would also recommend you download an application from the internet, RAM map. You could just do a search for RAM map and you could download this from the internet so that you could clear your RAM every time you start your PC. This window pops up here to the right. Click on empty. Click on empty standby list. This is going to clear your RAM cache. And then apart from this, you could also go ahead and clear all your browser history and everything from there for maybe your Chrome browser or the Edge browser. And we are done. So do these two things and your PC is going to work super smooth. Take care, my friend.